over the years, the interventional radiologists and vascular surgeons, they have demonstrated when they work together a great record of safety, of rapid technology adaptation, skill transfer, and they were able to deliver a really high quality of patients' care. For every specialty, there is something in this program that they will benefit and they will see something interesting. And that's at different levels, not only for senior people, but also for trainees. Through workshops and also through the session of the My Worst Case in Angio Suite. And this year also there's a video recorded cases that explains the technical bits of some complex pathology. The issues of durability is extremely important. And also it's the choice between the different approaches. One of the nice things in ideas, and particularly this year, we're covering the pathology in the aorta from aortic valve to the groin. And each segment of the aorta has its own challenges and its own proposed solutions. And the evidence still building for each approach. And I think bringing the multidisciplinary discussion and experience into this meeting will help the audience to benefit from the experience of people, and also will advance the field further.
For me, it's important to understand that we have different treatment options for these complex aneurysms, and that there is a place for every different treatment or for all treatment modalities. But it's our role to provide as much information as possible to help the public, the colleagues, to choose the best modality for that particular patient. And I think that has become a very important role, and also a debate like discussion always. And the other thing, as you correctly said, it's all about durability, because we want our endovascular treatments to be durable. That starts with the indication, that starts with a good planning, that continues with a good technical execution and a correct follow-up of the patients. But durability is the issue, as we know from the NICE guidelines, as we know from long-term failures. And we don't need to be, so to speak, 100% perfect, but we need to strive for more durability. And we would be very happy to see as many interventional and endovascular specialists as possible.
Looking forward to joining you on the 14th and 15th of September in these online sessions, roundtable discussions, video recorded sessions, and the workshops, listening to questions and also listening to the contributions of the faculty. It will be a great meeting.